Welcome back, guys. Here are the string methods in Python. Here are some of the most common string methods which are mostly used in scripts. A method is like a function, but it runs on an object. If the variable is, we can say s is a string, then the code s.lower runs the lower method of the string object and return the result. Note this idea of method running on an object is one of the basic idea that makes up object-oriented programming up. So here are the some common string methods. So the s.lower and s.upper, those are returns the lowercase or uppercase of the string variant of the string. So here let's create the string. Uh, Welcome to Python programming A to Z course. So here we go, and if we print s just like this, then this print the string as it is. So now if we s dot lower, let's see what it return. It convert all the string in the lowercase letters, and if we convert s dot upper, this is the method here, the s dot upper, then it will return the welcome to Python programming A to Z in uppercase letters. So here next function is the stripe. Return a string with white spaces removed from start to end. So here is that strip here and run it, then what it is done. So if we see here, return the string with white spaces removed from start to end. So but it is not working here like. So let's try the is alpha, is digit, is space. Test if the string characters are in various character classes. So let's see what happened. Is that is alpha. See what it is. False. It's false. Is that is digit, basically it is digit or not, it will be the false. And then is that is spice, is so yeah, is return false. Various character classes and start with and ends with some specific string. Is that start with, suppose this, and then let's see happen. Saying str object has no attribute start with. This is just starts with true. And if I put here ABC, it will return false. And in the same way, the ends with and ABC, and it will be the return false. And if we see the course and then see is that ends with string and then run it. This is false. And because it is the uppercase, and now return it true. So it is case sensitive and it is return the true or false. And here the s dot find function, this gives the string not regular expression with this and return the, so s dot find, here we can course, if it will be the 37th index course is lying, so it returns the index of this. And so first first character index in the string, it returns the 37. So for this C. And let's see the other function, replace. Course to lecture, then so welcome to Python programming A to Z lecture, and course is replaced with this. So here are the other, the split delimiter returns a list of substrings separated by given delimiter. The delimiter is not regular operation, it's just a text. So s dot split, um, delim is not defined. It's saying that delim is not defined. So let's see here. So welcome to Python programming A to Z, and it's now converted to the array list here like this, and this is the uh, uh, this is the basically list of the substrings, and the delimiter it just text. So we can say like that the if we something here is another some delimiter like that, the comma or something like that. So just we need to again it write it, welcome to my course, and s dot split the comma. So let's see now. If you see here, this is separate, this one is the separate, this one is the separate, and this list of this through this delims it is. So you can opposite to the split function use the join function. Join to the list joins the elements and the given list together using the string as delimiter like this, and you can say like that, suppose here s to join, and here if we give like this way, the welcome to my course of Python A to Z. So here we go. So here is of welcome to my course Python, welcome to my course Python. So it is joining the with this of welcome to my course Python, welcome to my course. So it's just join with this. So this is all about the string methods, and also there are the other methods like indexing of the string, and others we will see in the coming lecture. So thank you and bye for now.